Alright guys, so I'm 100% sure that you guys click on this video just because you really want to know how you can buy, ship from China using 1688 without using agent. Okay, if that is the most reason why you click on this video, stay tuned to the video from the beginning to the end, because I'm going to walk you guys through step by step on how you can actually buy, ship from China using 1688 to whatever country of your choice. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and get started. But before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, please remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about China importation topic, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as China importation business is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. So with that being said, so let's dive into the tutorial and see how you can buy, ship from China using 1688 without using agents. So let's get started. So the first thing first, I'll head over to the product landing page. So right here, this product here, I'm going to buy from this product, from this seller. You have to click on here to proceed to specification of the product. And right here, I need size 110, okay? Then I need size 130. That is 2 quantity I'm buying from this seller. So once you select your quantity, you have to click on here now to go to the checkout. Then it take you right here. So it's still going to show you that you select one quantity of this or so. And the shipping fee for this product is 6.80 RMB. So once you get to this point, the next thing you have to do is to tap on here to make payment to this supplier. Okay. So I'm going to click on here now to make the payment. So right here, you can see my Alipay has been connected. So the next thing is to click on here now to pay. So at this point here, you have to click on pay now. So I'm paying this sum of amount of money. You click on pay now. Then you'll be asked to enter your payment password. So once you enter your payment password completely, then go to confirm the payment, and the fund will be deducted from your Alipay account. And let's see. Here is the proof that the payment was done successfully. So the payment was done successfully. So for you to be sure that this is 100% payment done successfully, you can easily tap on go back to your profile to confirm the product on your page. Okay, so for you to confirm the product on your page, all you have to do is to click on here now to visit your profile page. All right, so by the time I refresh, so once you make payment successful, the product move here. So let's quickly click on that. So guys, you can see the two products here that we just paid for. This one size 110, this one size 130 centimeter at this amount of money. So this is how you buy from supplier in China using 1688 without using any agent. Once your product ready for ship, it move right here. Okay, so at this point here, this is where you track the product from the supplier to your shipping warehouse in China. This is all the steps you need to follow if you are eventually intended to buy from China without using agents. You want to use your Alipay, you want to do everything by yourself. This is just the basic step to follow. I hope you guys find follow for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about China importation, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.